Welcome to Simply Fleet. In this video, you'll learn how to add, view, and search warranty details for your inventory parts. Adding warranty information helps you track part coverage, avoid unnecessary purchases, and save time when handling replacements or supplier claims. To begin, go to the Inventory tab from the left menu, then click on Parts, and select Add Part. Choose the part category, or Add New Category, Electrical Components. Save the category and continue filling in the part information, like part name, part number, etc. Next, add the purchase date, vendor, and warehouse details, including storeroom and rack number. Then, enter the purchase quantity, cost per unit, and other pricing details. Now go to the Custom Fields section and click Add Field. In the detail title, type Warranty. In the detail box, enter the warranty information, such as duration, expiry date, coverage, and vendor contact. Once all information is entered, click Save. The part is now created with complete warranty details. To view the warranty information you've added, select the part, click Show Details. Under Custom Fields, click on the field added and you'll see the warranty details entered earlier. If you need to add or edit warranty details for an existing part, select the part, click Edit Batch, click Add Field, set the detail title as Warranty, and type or paste the new warranty information in the detail box. Click Save when done. To find all parts that have warranties, go back to the parts list, click More Filters, select Custom Fields, and type Warranty. This instantly displays all parts that include warranty information. And that's how you can easily add, edit, and view warranty details for your inventory parts in Simply Fleet. Keep track of your inventory parts effortlessly. Try Simply Fleet today.